In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set your OBS to always run as an admin whenever you click on it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So to set your OBS to always run as an admin whenever you click on it, it is quite simple. Just hover over OBS app, and once you are here, right click on it and then go to properties. Now from properties, choose this option called compatibility, and then under compatibility, you have this option under settings called run this program as an administrator. So if you go ahead and check this, and then go ahead and confirm it by clicking on apply and then OK. And now you will see this badge on your OBS Studio program. So that's how you set your OBS Studio to automatically run as an admin whenever you click on it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.